Ask Tom on Home Show.
Gary from Hedwig Village has a question about building costs.
Yeah, and my apologies to Gary because we've been trying to get to this question for a couple of weeks. And Tom, he's very early in the project, and he wants your input. He says, I want to build a small retirement home just outside of Houston, and I'm more concerned with capital preservation in my retirement, but want to build something nice that I've designed. I know price per square foot is not the best way to figure, but just trying to get an idea. Do you think it's possible to build for $125 to $150 a square foot?
You can build anything, but if you want to build something nice at that price, absolutely not. When I was actively building, I'm going to have to say it was 2012 is when I got out of the building business. Our cost for a well-built home, now people say, well, I don't want a big home. It has nothing to do with size. Well, it has something to do with size, but you can have a small one or you can have a huge one. It's still the same cost per square foot to have a good one. It's just the bottom line. And we were running $150 a square foot for a decent home without a lot of bells and whistles, but good structure and mechanical and all those kind of things. Now that was 2012. You can imagine everything that's happened, just normal inflation at one time, and now the high inflation we're getting now, and the pandemic we just went through, and the availability and the supply chain and all the stuff going on. The bottom line is, I don't know right now, but I'm going to suspect it's going to be $200 to $250 a foot for a decent one-time built home. Now, can the production builders build them for less? Yeah, because they're buying in such bulk, and they're only going to put some really substandard quality stuff on some of them. I've been seeing the new sheathing systems and decking systems. They're trying to get away from wood. I find appalling what they're doing right now, but I'm not going to get into the products that's being pushed and the reason they're doing it. I'm just telling you, it's going to be around $250 a foot. I feel confident that you could probably swing something at that, but not below it.
You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out. Just like that, click on that blue Ask Tom button, and then you can send us a video. You can send us a picture. We love to get your pictures because it helps us understand what you're dealing with. And to do that, when you get to this form, just go down to where it says Pictures Help Ad, choose a file, and send it to us. And then watch, because we post a new one of these every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, Home Show Radio on YouTube, and of course at HomeShowRadio.com.